So today we are going to learn about chapter number 9, sequence and series, topic number 9.4, arithmetic progression. 9.4, arithmetic progression. It is known as AP. Arithmetic progression, it is known as AP. So what is the definition of AP? So a sequence A1, A2, A3, AN up to infinity is called arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression if an plus 1 is equal to an plus d for some n belongs to capital N, where a1 is called the first term and the constant term d is called common difference of the AP. So I would like to just tell you that you can create your own notes by stopping these videos and noting down all the things which I am writing on the paper. So here in this definition there are certain things which we must have to understand. First of all, arithmetic sequence is a progressive type sequence, means there are certain relationship between their terms. This term and this term has some relationship, this term with this term there is a certain relationship, so each and every term has certain relationship between them. So what is the relationship? The relationship is the next term is equal to the previous term plus some constant value d. Okay, here a1 is called the first term. If we know the a1 and we know the d, we can find out n number of different members of this particular sequence. For example, I am taking example if I am taking a1 is equal to 3 and d is equal to 2, then I would have different elements, that is a1 is equal to 3, a2 is equal to nothing but 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5, a3 is equal to a2 plus 2, that is 5 plus 2, that is 7, a4 is equal to a3 plus 2, that is 7 plus 2, that is 9. Likewise, I can create n number of different terms of this arithmetic sequence.